Hey guys, it's Frances, and the Born Pretty store was kind enough to send me a brand new polish that's released. They've done some repackaging and launched some new polishes, and this one is called, it's from the Flower in the Sunshine series, and it's called Recall. I wanted to try this one on its own, but I have a feeling this would be really beautiful over different colors. It would just change the way the color looked. So I'm going to go ahead and start with my first coat of this. It is hard to tell you exactly what color this polish is. It's definitely a light blue base to it, and it's very sheer on the first coat, but there are some really lovely gold as well as a really strong pink shimmer to it. It is definitely multi-chrome, but you can see how sheer it is on that first coat, that you definitely could add it on top of other colors and it would change those colors. I'll have to do that in another video. Oh, and I have a code linked below for 10% off of full priced items. And like I said, these polishes are brand new, but they should be available already. And that's it at 3 coats. It is a bit metallic, but there is really no streakiness to it. So I thought that it was very, very otherworldly. I'm going to add a top coat here. So I decided I was going to go ahead and use a plate that Born Pretty had sent me as well to review. And here's a look at the polish at 3 coats with top coat. So this polish made me think of dreams and dreaminess, so I decided to go with this plate. It's BPL 100, and as you can see, it is chock full of Dreamcatchers and crystals and things like that. And as you see, I'm struggling a little bit to take that blue off. I should have gotten out my tweezers, but I got lazy. So eventually I will get up the corner of that. And I'm just going to show you, you have to remove this blue film before stamping. Otherwise, it's just not going to work. It's there for the protection of the plate. And you can see there's different sized dream catchers on here, small ones, large ones. And I'm going to show you a variety of them and how they compare to the size of my fingers or my nail beds. And I'm going to be using the Born Pretty stamping stamper, as well as a Beauty Big Bang stamping polish in black. There was so much going on that base color that I figured black was the way to go with it. And as you can see, it's pretty easy to isolate images on here. I mean, there's a ton of images on the plate, but it's not that hard to isolate them. And I'm going to come in with my lint roller and just remove the excess that I don't want on there. And I was able to isolate that one little dream catcher pretty well. I'm going to go ahead and pop that on my index finger, and you can see that beautiful pink shimmer just coming through underneath, which I think added so much to the dream catcher. I'm going to pick up another dream catcher that's on the plate. And then I'm going to go ahead and continue this process. I'm going to be quiet. I'll let you listen to some music, and I will get back to you as soon as I'm done stamping to let you know what the next step is. See you guys soon. So here is my final look, and I am absolutely in love with this one. Tell me what you guys think in the description, or not in the description, in the comments below. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for spending your time with me. Thank you, Born Pretty Store, for sending me this beautiful plate and polish. And I will see you guys again next time. Bye.